The roots are going back to the ground, which is why the strength of the plant is so strong. It is very clear that the yield of this plant is 3 to 4 times more than where the formula has not been applied. No chemical has been added to it. Wherever the formula water has reached, the whole land is clean. Assalamu alaikum, I am Asif Mahmood. Due to climatic changes, the agriculture sector is badly affected. Due to drought, there is also a risk of wheat production in Punjab this year. But the agricultural experts have developed a formula that has amazed the whole world. The use of this farmer-friendly formula has been done experimentally in the Bay Faru area. After the use of this formula, let's talk to what the farmers say. The biggest problem I had with the soil was that it was blackish. When we used to plant any crop in it, the yield was very low. If the yield was high, then it would start dying after 65 to 60 days. Look at the length of this plant and look at the color of the soil. Wherever the formula water has reached, the whole land is green. People say to add urea. I used to add urea to it, it was yellowish. This time I added urea to it, so I didn't even know where it went. People say that adding urea causes wheat to fall. Someone make my wheat fall. If the horses run inside it and it falls, then catch me. I am completely at fault. I have not seen a wheat like this. Secondly, the gap between me and the wheat, from here to here, you will not find it in any wheat. The proof of this is standing behind me. This is its plant. Do you see its tiller? This is it. This is the same seed. The same manure is mixed. The same tractor driver. And the farmer who took the seed is also the same. I am the one who put it. And this is a simple thing. The world can do whatever it wants, the biggest formula in the world. This seed came from Mr. Bukhari's formula. This seed will show me ahead. Roots are going back to the ground from the tiller, because of which the strength of this plant is so much. It looks like a bamboo. You are looking at a wheat. Similarly, look at the leaves, the width and shine of the leaves, and when the sprouts are starting to come out. Alhamdulillah, it is visible that it is more than double than normal sprouts. The biggest challenge in the coming times is food security. In the coming times, water is also decreasing, and environmental changes are having a lot of effect on our crops. I think our government is taking a lot of initiatives to promote agriculture. Like we are seeing solarization, our government is taking a lot of steps at the federal and provincial level, especially at the Punjab level. I think this will be a very supportive thing for the farmers if the government also includes it in its initiatives. According to food security, our yield will increase. The quality of our crop will be better. And with less water, this crop will grow as much as possible. There will be nothing better than this. According to experts, this formula has eliminated the diseases of the land and increased its fertility, because of which the crop is growing so well. I have dedicated 25 years of my life to this. How can a farmer be saved? This is 100% natural. No chemical has been added to it. And this farmer-friendly formula. This formula that loves all the creatures of God. This formula that saves our natural insects and insects that we need to kill. With this, there can be no harm to the crops, humans, or anything else. And you can test it in any lab. There is no chemical in it. You can apply it on your hand or face. The biggest thing about this formula is that it stores 3 feet of groundwater. It provides as much water as the plant needs. After that, it digs the closed spaces. When the closed spaces open, your roots will go inside. The roots are going down. The natural neutrons from God are not getting to the plant. When the roots go down, your crop will be healthy. When the crop is healthy, the crop will have the power to control diseases. In 1 acre, you can take a 120-liter drum and put it in it. You can drip it and put it all over the land. 1 application is of 5 liters. The condition of our land, I will tell the farmer to do 2 applications of 5 liters on his land. Because of the shortage of water, the people of the Barani area can spray it. It will keep enough moisture in it so that your crop can survive. And you can save yourself from future difficulties. When your greenery increases and there is more moisture, the problem of rains will also be solved. We have observed the 3 areas of the plant, the roots, the stem, and the leaves. All 3 are maintained. Where the formula has been applied, where the formula has not been applied, there is a clear difference. And this is a very positive change. Basically, I hear that technically the soil has been cured. So many beautiful positive changes have come from it that its impact is clearly visible in the plant. It is called soil disease, and technically we call it high pH problem. Where the pH is high, more than 8.5, we declare it a problem soil. We don't even check its fertility. We say that first treat its disease, normalize its pH. If the soil comes to the limit of its fertility, then use it for cropping. I am looking at the crop stand where the application has been done and where the application has not been done in the second crop. Rana Sahib is telling the same data for both. I am getting a very clear 3 to 4 times that its yield, where the formula has not been applied, will be 3 to 4 times more. Seeing the yield of the crop, farmers and experts are hopeful that the yield will be 3 to 4 times better than usual.